Here is the complete script. Title: Credit Score Explained, How to Go from 580 to 750 in 12 months. In 2008, the Lehman Brothers collapse cost investors an estimated $1.3 trillion. But what's often overlooked is that many of these investors had excellent credit scores, but it didn't matter when their bank went under. Here's why your credit score matters more than you think. As we enter a new era of economic uncertainty, with rising interest rates and increasing market volatility, having a solid understanding of your credit score is crucial. In 2025, lenders are tightening their lending standards, making it harder to get approved for loans or credit cards, unless you have an excellent credit score. So what is a credit score? It's a three-digit number between 300 and 850 that represents your creditworthiness. The most widely used scoring model, FICO, calculates your score based on 5 key factors: payment history, 35% late payments, collections, and bankruptcies; credit utilization, 30% how much of your available credit is being used; length of credit history, 15% how long you've had credit accounts; types of credit used, 10% a mix of installment loans, credit cards, and other credit types; new credit inquiries, 10% how often lenders check your credit. Let's look at a real example. Enron, the energy company that went bankrupt in 2001, had an average credit utilization ratio of just 5%. But despite this low debt-to-income ratio, their investors still lost billions when the company filed for bankruptcy. Why? Because they didn't have a diverse mix of credit types. Meet Sarah, who had a credit score of 580 in 2018. She had a single credit card with a $2,000 balance and an available credit limit of $10,000, a utilization ratio of 20%. But she also had no other credit accounts, making her credit history look thin. To boost her score, Sarah opened 2 new credit cards, one from a major bank and another from a smaller issuer. She charged small amounts on each card and paid them off in full each month. Within 6 months, her credit utilization ratio dropped to 10%, and her credit mix became more diverse. Here's what you can do this week. 1. Check your credit report. You can request a free report from Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax. 2. Pay down high-interest debt. Focus on eliminating high-interest loans and credit cards. 3. Apply for a secured credit card. If you have thin credit, consider applying for a secured card to build your score. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the bell. I post every week. Next video, the top 5 credit score myths debunked, separating fact from fiction.